I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is FluentCRM. Select a form or task name from the drop-down. I am selecting a contact is create. You can choose as you want. Click Next. Search and select Action Nimble. Give here an API token, so please visit the Nimble API token. Generate new token. Give here a meaningful name. Generate. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to FluentCRM dashboard. Go to the Contact module. Click on Add Contact. Type some information and create contact. Create contact. Contact added successfully. Now go to the Nimble site and go to People. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Nimble site. Thanks for watching.